What do you want? Garp! Bakit? Why? What's wrong? You want to go outside? Yan po si Garp. English speaking po siya. English speaking niya. What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? That's Mulat. Mulat. Say something to Mulat. Say Mulat. Come on. Where are you? Nag-iisip siya. Say something to Mulat. Say Mulat. Come inside. Meow. Did you hear that? Mulat said, meow. Come. Want to go outside? Want to go? Huh? Oh, you want to go outside? Let's go. Say hi. 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 What's that? Mulat, is that you? Ano, si Mulat nga. Oh, how sweet. That's so sweet. Oh, you kiss Garp. Yan po, ang sweet talaga ng mga pusa. Garp, look at mommy. Say goodbye na. Hi, Mulat. How are you? Say something. Say hi. Yan po, ang aking mga makukulit na alaga. Mga English speaking. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye po. See you next time.